Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car vacuums in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car vacuums to buy right now in your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and on my research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links down in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Item number 5 is Racefor's wireless car vacuum. Specifications. Brand name, Racefor. Material type, ABS. Item type, vacuum cleaner. Special features, dry and wet. Model name, 21052502. Item, 10% 35 to 40. Wireless vacuum cleaner, wireless cleaner. Item number 4 is wireless car handheld vacuum cleaner. Specifications. Brand name, XMSJ. Origin, CN origin. Item height, 15 cm. Material type, ABS. Item type, vacuum cleaner. Item weight, 300 grams. Item length, 17 cm. Item width, 4 cm. As the item number 3, we've selected handheld car vacuum cleaner. Specifications. Brand name, Axio. Item height, 15.7 cm. Item length, 24.7 inch. Material type, ABS. Item type, vacuum cleaner. Special features, wireless rechargeable. Item weight, 0.36 kilograms. Item width, 7.2 centimeters. Item number 2 is 9000 PA wireless car vacuum cleaner. Specifications. Brand name, KK. Item weight, 0.4 kilograms. Model name, XCQ003. Material, ABS. Searching suction, 9000 PA. Size, 180 by 160 by 62 ohm. Input volt, 5 volts. Output volt, 3.7 volts. Power, 100 watts. And finally, the item number 1 in our list is Baseus 15,000 Pascals car vacuum cleaner. Specifications. Brand name, Baseus. Item height, 30 centimeters. Item weight, 0.8 kilograms. Item length, 5.6 centimeters. Item width, 5.6 inch. Input, 5 volts / 2.1A. Rated power, 135 watts. Battery capacity, 4 by 2000 mAh. Battery power, 28.8 Wh. Charging time 3 to 5 hours.